Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Sukur. Today I will be presenting about bryophytes, threats and conservation. What are bryophytes? They are mosses, they are liverworts and they are hornwoods. Mosses is non-vascular plants typically forming dense green clumps. For the liverworts, characterized by the flattened terrace-like bodies or overlapping leaves. And hornwoods named after their long horn-like sporophyte. They are small but give big impact. They can be ecosystem engineers. They initiate soil formation and nutrients recycling in barren lands. They also hold humidity levels and providing habitats for microinvertebrates. Section A. Threats to biodiversity. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Logging roads construction, and urban expansion directly destroy microhabitats essential for survival. Fragmentation isolate population, reducing genetic diversity. Infrastructure projects often alter the hydrology of wetlands and causing localized extinction of moisture-sensitive mosses and liverworts. Climate change can also affect the bryophytes by the temperature will increase the drought periods. With the vascular system, bryophytes are highly susceptible to desiccation and heat stress. Industrial emission, heavy metals, and high nitrogen deposition damage the sensitive tissue of bryophytes. That's why bryophytes act as biomonitors due to their high absorption rate. And another factor is invasive species. Biological competition, non-native species can outcompete bryophytes for the light, water, and space. Invasive finds often smother the native moss mats, leading to total habitat loss. Aggressive plant growth alters the soil chemistry, making environments unsuitable for native pioneer species. Section B and C. Conservation strategies. In situ conservation. We can provide habitat protection, establish and expand protected areas, especially for peatlands, marshes, and old growth for forests. Sustainable management, implementing sustainable forest management that retains canopy cover to maintain microclimates. Monitoring, regular biodiversity surveys to identify threatened genotypes and track population trends. Community involvement, engaging local population in conservation efforts through environmental education programs. Ex situ conservation measure. Botanical gardens. We can maintain the living collection of rare species for study and reintroduction. Micropropagation, using tissue culture to grow large quantity of the fragment of the bryophytes. Spore banks. Long-term cryopreservation of spores in liquid nitrogens to ensure survival. Future recommendation. We can provide protection to strengthen their habitats protection and biodiversity hotspots. The target outcome is reduce species extinction risk. From the science aspect, we can increase the funding for biology and ecological research so that we can be informed by the conservation decisions. Policy. We can integrate bryophytes into national climate strategies to enhance ecosystem resilience and awareness, public awareness campaign on the values of mosses so that we can create a greater community stewardship. That's all for me. Thank you.